how to create a freeze frame or screen capture in Leonardo Resolve. You've got your video playhead here. I'm just going to try and freeze frame this. You'd think it would be easy in the edit section. Well, you can sort of cut it, you can create clips and all those sort of things. But a quicker way of doing it is go down here. Instead of edit, go to color. You can go here to the gallery section. So gallery, you can see I've already got a couple already. And you can see the playhead there. Go here, go to this part, right click and grab still. That's what you need to do, grab still. And you can see it appear over here. Go over there, weirdly it changes at that point. But that is a still. And you can export it. So right click there and go down to export. So export, and it gives you a whole load of different file formats. DPX, etc. You can go for TIFF. I'm going to go for PNG. Just going to call it freeze to and export. So it's now saved to my desktop. Go back to the edit section, just go back there. And I'm going to put it here. So I'm just going to create a quick cut there. So Control B and nicely splice there. I can now go over here and I can import it. So File and Import and Media. And make sure I select the right one. There is PNG file. I've also got a DRX file there as well, strangely. And then you can see it there. With that selected, right click and insert selected clips to timeline. And you can see it just being quickly added there. Of course, there's no audio for that, luckily, because that would not be very good. And of course, I can now resize it, etc. It's very useful to quickly create a nice freeze frame. You might not want the freeze frame particularly, you might want to use it in different ways. And that's another useful thing, maybe in a gallery or something like that. But you can put it quickly here. So if I start playing it, you can see it nicely frozen so people can look at it and say, oh, that's what I've got to do. And of course, you can resize it if you want. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, please put in the comments below if you know of even quicker ways of doing it. Is there an easier way in the edit menu to do it? I find this colour approach okay. It would be nicer if it was available instantly in the edit as well. It's a pity you have to go to the colour section. Thank you much.